How to replace the sway bar end link in your 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Once the car is up and supported by jack stands and you have the wheel off, it's pretty simple. The first thing I did was spray a little bit of WD-40 to allow it to come off easier. After that, you just need a 15mm wrench and a 15mm socket and ratchet to loosen and remove it. The installation is just as simple as removal. You'll just get the center section in position, put the bolt in through the bottom with the rubber bushing, put the rubber bushing at the top with the nut, and tighten everything together. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.